Last year, this time, we introduced you to a kid from Oblong, Illinois. His name was Lucas Newbold, and he was off to compete in the Wrangler Junior High National Finals Rodeo in Gallup, New Mexico. Well, he's out there again this year, and as of yesterday, Lucas was in first place as the all-around cowboy at the event. Checking in on the standings again today, he's dropped to fourth place in that category. Lucas finished in fourth place in the breakaway event. His time was 2.953 seconds. The rodeo runs through Saturday. We'll keep you posted, let you know how he does.